Welcome back, fellow riders and fellow travelers. It's T5 and Becky the Trekkie here. We're in Kansas City, Missouri. This is the Patriot. It's supposed to be one of the best inverted coasters out there. We're gonna bring you on board, point of view, and we'll see you when we get on the ride, and then we'll do a review. Okay, so let's take a look. It looks like the queue is pretty empty. It's got a beautiful red, white, and blue color scheme there. Inverted means the track's overhead, and it's got 4 nice inversions. And it looks like it's going to be a walk-on right there. So, okay, we're going to get right up on the ride, and we'll see you there.
And enjoy the rest of your journey around worlds of fun.
Yeah, we'll go.
Oncoming riders, welcome to Patriot, the American screen. When the gates open, carefully step into your room. Once seated, pull down on the shoulder harness and fasten the seatbelt. For your safety, always sit up straight with your head against the headrest and hold onto the grab bars, keeping your body inside the ride.
Okay. It's beautifully painted, I think. The colors really pop. Okay. 0 to 70. Oh, it's brisk up here. This feels like more like 60, 65 up here. The wind is turning. Here we go, everybody. Hold on. And an abrupt stop. I don't know who painted this, but give them a raise. And it's really, it just roars. I mean, it doesn't roar on the track. It's almost like quiet. It's really smooth. I wish it was a little bit longer. That's my only critique. I'd say try to extend this bad boy. I'd just upgrade this sucker, put another 50 foot on the first drop, and then put 2 more inversions on the end of this, and this thing would sing. Because it's so smooth. It's really, I mean, some of those Batman rides just shake the hell out of you, you know? The Batman clones, and this one is, it's a runner. It's a runner, okay. Floor comes up. Oh, that was a loud snap. There it is.
Thank you for riding Patriot.
Thank you. Thank you, Patriots. All right, Patriot. What'd you think of Patriot, Becky?
I really like that ride. It's very smooth. Usually like the Batman rides, like the similar style, a little rough, but this one is super smooth. Definitely liked it.
So for an inverted roller coaster, this is very well maintained. It's very quiet. Some of them have it. I mean, it still roars on the track, but it's not like ear shattering or anything like that. All the turns are very smooth. It's got a nice 0G in there. The 2 loops, the big loops, are great. I'd like to see it have a couple more inversions, or maybe like a taller initial drop. I don't know if you can go in and make changes or something like that, but just that's my only knock on it compared to like Banshee. It has more inversions and
longer ride.
Yeah, it's a little bit longer ride, but it rides like Banshee, so it's definitely up there. It's just a little bit short for me, but all in all, great ride. well themed. The paint scheme is beautiful. I don't know if this would make an interesting flying coaster layout or something like that, red, white, and blue or something. We'd like to maybe see something like that at this park. But anyway, we had a great ride. If you're new to the channel and this is your first video, thanks for joining us. We've got a lot of other roller coaster videos out there. Big thank you to all our fellow travelers and loyal subscribers, and we'll see you all very soon on the next ride. Bye, everybody.